In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by launching Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sounds and Vibration. Then operate this switcher next to Vibrate on ring to disable or enable incoming calls vibrations. Click on this one to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted, and then select Vibration Intensity. Following that, you can operate those two sliders under Vibrate on ring and Notification Vibration to adjust intensity of haptic feedback for those two options. When you finished, click on gray area of the screen, scroll down, click on Haptics and Tones and use this switcher next to System Haptics to switch them on or off. If you decided to enable haptic feedback for touches, swipes and more, you can also adjust intensity of all of them thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!